As technology advances, so does the way we access information. QSR codes or QR codes are becoming the number one way that people are accessing data and information. In this video, I'm going to show you how we are evolving from the regular black and white QSR code to a more art-forward QSR code. If you're ready, I'm ready. Let's get to it. Hi, I'm Vanessa S. of By Vanessa S. and welcome to my channel. And if you've been here before, welcome back to my channel. You know how this goes. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. Ring the bell so that you'll be notified of future videos. And of course, subscribe. And remember to share. Sharing is caring. Okay, so a QR code is a quick response code. It is a block, normally a square block, that holds information on how to access something. QR codes have been around for a while, but the technology for QR codes is expanding and evolving. It used to be that you would find a QR code on the back of a book. They used to be barcodes, and then they turned into the square QR codes. And on the back of the book, you would find the QR code with information on the book. However, technology is evolving. And now you can use QR codes for a multitude of things, to include accepting payments or sending payments. You can use it for events. You can use it to send people to a website or to your social media. You can use it to provide information and data. It's just so many things, even product information. If you're selling a product and you want people to have that product information, there's just so many things that you can do with it. And the technology itself is evolving. So it used to be that a QR code had to be generated elsewhere. Someone had to generate it for you. Most companies would do it. You would have to purchase it. But because the technology is evolving, you can make QR codes yourself. However, in elevating that action, QR codes are no longer just the little black and white box that we've seen. Now you can create QR codes that actually have images. And that's what I'm going to show you in this video. Understand that the images that are in the QR codes are not the images like the ones that you see behind me. They're not full images. They are images that are embedded in the QR code. But it's just a fun way and a very unique way to create something that is unique to you and whatever it is you're doing. Whether you're running a business, whether you have an event, whether you're just sending money, it's just a nice, cute way and a unique way to personalize a QR code for your personal use or your business use. So let's go on over and see how to do this. Canva is making it very, very easy. So this is the Canva homepage, and we are going to find the app that I'm looking for in the app section. Now it is called the Hello QR, this one right here. It's the next generation of QR codes. We're going to create a new design, and we're going to go with the Facebook post sizing. Now, the size really doesn't matter. I'm just using this size because it was the first one available, and it's square. The first thing you want to do is add your URL. This is going to be the URL that you want the QR code to direct to. So I'm going to use my own from my website. It's very important to have a URL code, because if you don't have a URL code, your QR code is not going to work. The whole purpose of having a QR code is so that the image can direct to your website or to your social media site or whatever it is you're using. So you're going to add your URL. Okay, and so the next box, notice it's just 2 boxes, is the description. Now you'll see that it has something like birthday cake, astronaut in space. You want it to be something simple. This is not a space for you to add 50 words. You just want something simple, something that you want reflective in your QR code. If you are on the Pro plan for Canva, you will get 5 credits every day to create these QR codes. And it tells you how many you have and how many you have left down at the bottom. So you'll get 5 credits every day to create QR codes. Now, why is that important? Because you might be in the business of creating QR codes for other people. So you get 5 free QR codes that you can generate daily. And those are free. If you want more QR codes, of course, you will have to purchase the additional QR codes that you want. But you do get 5 every day, each day. I want Basenji puppies. And I'm going to leave it at that. Basenji puppies. Let's see what it generates. And anytime you deal with AI images, you really don't know what it's going to give you. It really is a process. Okay, and we have Basenji puppies. And the QR code, and it's colorful. Now, what if I want to streamline this more? Maybe I'm not getting what I want. Actually, they look like little foxes. But let me streamline this just one more time. Okay, I'm going to say I want a tree, a palm tree. I'm going to, remember, add your URL, a palm tree in the desert. Let's see. And there we have it, a palm tree in the desert. So I'm going to make this larger. Because I want it to cover the whole page. So I'm just going to resize it. There you have it, a palm tree in the desert. That is the QSR code. And then next step would be to download it. When you download it, you want to download it with a transparent background. This way, you can add it to whatever medium you want without having the white background. Once you download it with the transparent background, this is what it will look like. And then this is what you will use to add on to your mediums, whether it's a printed or whether it's social media, whatever it is you're going to use. This is your QSR code. And now all people have to do is take their camera, point the camera towards this QSR code, and then it will direct them to your website or to your social media site. Okay. So as you can see, it's extremely easy to create a text-to-image unique QR code for whatever your product, services, or your activity is. Hope this video was helpful. Remember, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. Ring the bell so that you'll be notified. And of course, subscribe. And you know what else? Share. Sharing is caring. Until next time.